concept of Smoke Company came about 3 or 4 years ago when our directors did this Naga festival for Cafe Talp, another chain of cafes they run in Bangalore. And we incorporate a lot of the smoked elements into our cocktails, as you saw with Jack and Smoke. So we smoke the drink itself. So not only do you get a taste of alcohol, but you also get the smoked flavor in it.
Yeah, you're gonna taste Jack and Smoke, which is the signature cocktail of our Smoke Company. You're gonna have lots of nice flavors and aromas. And I think you have been in South India. It's called South Indian drink. I have a mixed and prepared, and I'm gonna smoke it now. It's give you a nice flavor and aroma on the drink. It's coming through nice outside of the glass. Nice smoke. Right. So our smoking process gone through. And a beer. The taste, the beer is for the taste, and the nice aromatic flavor of the orange. Just give a different twist on a drink. And here's the drink is ready. Jack and Smoke, the Smoke Company. Have a sip and try it. How you feel about the cocktail?
Yum.
Yum.
It's nice. Nice citric. You remember something like those mandarin oranges?
Yeah.
And I think I can smell some subtle vanilla flavor, typical whiskey.
That's because of the whiskey?
Whiskey, yeah. With a nice smoke, something like a cedarwood or a chip smoke.
Yeah, it's a wood
It makes the cocktail a little more, probably more lighter and smooth. I like it.
Thank you.
Good, great.
Thank you so much.
We add a little bit of your coconut syrup. So I'll be just adding a little bit of sweetness or the sugar syrup to go along with it. Give it a nice gentle stir. Put the glass inside. We have some amazing whiskies here to go along. Just add the whiskey here. So we added the whiskey, and then voila, what we see here is we are dropping in some nice hot beer in it. Isn't it? The glass looks, and if you see the slight subtle smoke, it opens up the whiskey. We will, to celebrate the cocktail, we are just adding there. We call the cocktail as Shall We Smoke?